Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Raluca. In today's video I'm going to show you how I did this smoky cat eye look, which is very sultry, very suitable for a night out. Before we get started, I want to kindly ask you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And let's get started. Okay, for this look I will do my face last because I might get some fallout from the eyeshadow. First I'm going to prime my eyelids as usual using the Urban Decay primer potion. I will also prime my lower lash line since I'm going to apply the eyeshadow now. I want some kind of a base there as well since I have no concealer, no anything. And I'm going to use my fingers to blend it. So the base for my makeup is going to be a pencil like this. I'm going to use my Sephora Collection 12-hour pencil in the shade Black Lace, which is obviously just a matte black one. First I'm going to apply it on my waterline. I'm also going to apply it in between my lashes. So for this look it's very important to do your upper and lower lash line at the same time so you can kind of see the shape that the eyeshadow is going to have. I'm going to use a pencil brush. This is the Morphe M149 and I'm going to smudge the pencil and bring it upwards. Then on my upper lid I'm going to apply a little bit of that pencil on my outer corner, especially basically the outer half of my eye, and kind of bringing it upwards towards the outer corner, so something like this. And then again smudging, but as you can see I'm connecting it to the lower lash line. You kind of want the shape to be like an extension of your eye. So just shape this accordingly to your eye shape. And as you can see here, I'm extending the eyeshadow pretty straight. Like I'm not really following the outer corner of my eye because that's going to bring my eye a little bit downwards. Instead, I'm just blending straight and extending towards my outer corner. And now I'm going to use whatever is left on my brush to blend towards my inner corner. I'm going to apply a little bit more pencil here. Oh, and I'm also going to apply it underneath my lashes. It's very important for this kind of a look to not be able to see the skin in between the lashes. So the lash line needs to be very black. Here I set the pencil with a black eyeshadow and you can see the difference it makes. This side looks a lot more intense. I'm going to use my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills and pick up the Noir shade, which is just a matte black shade, and I will set wherever I apply the pencil, like my waterline including, because that's going to increase longevity, and just tapping the shadow all over the pencil. Okay, I guess I got excited and finished this eye off camera. But this is how the end result is going to look like. So next I'm going to take Citrus Amber on a Morphe M507. And I'm going to place this above the black. Starting from the outer corner because I want the main concentration to be there. And then coming over towards the inner corner, and of course my lower lash line as well. Next I'm going to take a lighter brown, which is going to be the shade Rustic. I think this is about to hit pan as well. I think this is my most used palette because it's so wearable. Okay, I'm applying Rustic above Citrus Amber. And last shade that I'm going to use is going to be Burnt Orange. I'm going to take it on the Juvia's Place 006 blending brush. Dust off the excess. And I will use this to blend everything into my skin. And again I'm blending it in an angled shape, so here I have the least shadow and then kind of angling it towards the tail of my brow. Then I'll use the previous shadows to rebuild the intensity. Oh my god, this is so hot. It's so hot in here. I had to close the windows because of there's noise outside. But I just can't stand it. So I'm taking more of that dark brown, the super somber shade, and rebuilding the intensity. Let's see, I'm going to use the fluffy blending brush to extend this outer corner, even though I'm going to fix the blending after doing my face. Because of the concealer and foundation and everything, the blend might disappear here. Yeah, so far so good. I'm going to leave the look like this for now. I'm going to go ahead and do my face off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, face is done, and I also did my lips. And now it's time to fix this blend. I'm going to use the brushes that I used previously without any additional product on them. And just gently go over the edge. And when I say gently, I mean I apply very little pressure on the brush. Taking the fluffy brush and going over. And kind of extending it towards my outer corner. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. That's going to be my Size Up mascara by Sephora Collection. I'm applying it on my lower lashes as well. Next I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm going to use the shade Glistening from the palette. And to finish off the look, I'm going to apply some outer corner lashes off camera. And this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed how it came out. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I'm in a rush to head to work right now as usual, so that's what I'm going to do. And I hope you're having an amazing day, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!